The ever-rising fuel prices have made us Indians really think about switching to electric vehicles. While the four-wheeler market is still growing, electric two-wheelers have been accepted quite well into the market. And why not? They are practical, easy to use, and have a pretty decent range that will last most people for an entire week. Apart from the savings on fuel, electric vehicles also help us save on maintenance and things like engine oil, air filters, and more. The Revolt RV400 was launched in India in 2019. It was a time we were just starting to accept electric vehicles in the Indian market. The Revolt also launched the RV300, essentially the same bike but with a smaller battery setup. The RV twins look just like any conventional bike, and they can even make engine sounds via a speaker. The RV400 claims a range of about 120 kilometers depending on your riding style. Prices start at Rs 90,000 for this series. The Bangalore-based Ather 450X had created quite the hype when it launched in India. It gets some nifty features like a 7-inch TFT screen, Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple riding modes. Ather claims a range of about 85 km on a single charge. The 450X's price starts at Rs 1.27 lakh in India. The Chetak name is a very familiar and much loved name for Indians. Bajaj relaunched Chetak as an electric scooter in India recently. It now gets sleek looks and multiple color options. Bajaj claims a range of 85 km on the new Chetak. It comes in two variants, Urban and Premium, and the prices start at Rs 1.14 lakh. The Hero Optima Electric is a very affordable electric vehicle coming in at a starting price of Rs 48,000. It has a small battery which gives a range of about 50 km per charge. The Optima is a good bet for someone who needs a two-wheeler for running nearby places. While a 50 km range does feel short, it might last you for almost a week if you use it for going nearby places. TVS recently launched their electric scooter, the iQube. It gets the latest Smart Connect features and comes with a decent range of about 75 km on a single charge. The iQube has a very futuristic design language with black accents all around the body. The lightning setup also adds to the futuristic theme that all electric vehicles seem to follow. So TVS has priced the iQube at Rs 1.1 lakh ex-showroom.